Hello, Scrapbookers. This is Megan, and I am back today with a double page layout. So this one, I am using my brand new Close to My Heart Fresh Paint Kit, which I did get back in May. And I made this layout, I think, right before my surgery. I think it was the weekend before my surgery. And I was planning to post this on at the end of May with Monique and her, I think it was her 40th birthday celebration, but also 700 subscribers. I will try to remember to leave a link below so that you can go check out her channel. Because this was originally supposed to go along with her channel, but it didn't end up working out because of my surgery and everything. I just wasn't able to get this posted in time. So I'm just posting it because I absolutely love this video and this layout and how it turned out. So you can see here that I was kind of going through all of my papers from the kit. So like I said, this is the Fresh Paint Kit from Close to My Heart. And this is my absolute favorite kit this whole year, I think. And I've made 4 layouts with it so far. This double page I am counting as 2 layouts, obviously, because it's 2 pages, right? So I am super excited. I absolutely love how it is coming out. So in this kit, I believe it came with 6 to 8 different pattern papers. And then also it came with a ton of cardstock. So this red piece of paper was some of the cardstock that came in the kit. So I am going to use that to mat, let's see, 1, 2, 3 of the photos. And then I am going to use blue cardstock that came in the kit as well for 2 of the other photos. I think and the reason I did that was because 2 of my photos were 4x6, and so that took up almost all of the 12x12 sheet of paper, and there's only 1 sheet of cardstock paper in this kit for each color. Now here you can see I'm kind of going through all of the alphas that I pulled out, and at first I'm thinking I want my title to be Awesome First Day. And then I'm going to be like, well, I don't know if I really like that, but I'm going to kind of MacGyver a T out of a bunch of different letters, and it actually does work out pretty well. So I am going to end up using that on this layout. And then this is where I feel like I need a color behind the word awesome, just to kind of help pop it off of the background. So I am just going to glue the word awesome down, and that word actually was an embellishment piece that came in the kit. It's not a stamp or anything, it came with the kit. So the only way you can get that word, I believe, is if you buy the kit. I don't think you can buy the embellishment separately, unfortunately, but that's okay. Anyway, I will leave a link down below. Whenever I buy my scrapbooking kits from Close to My Heart, I always buy the $38 version because it does come with 4 Close to My Heart page protectors, and I absolutely love that feature of their kit because I'm always in need of page protectors, right? So I do tend to buy the kit that is a little bit more pricey. So there's 2 different versions. There's the kit with the 4 page protectors, and then there is the kit that is without the page protectors. So like I said, I got the one with the page protectors, and I just love being able to use their products, and it's only $4 more. It's really not that bad of a price to add the page protectors onto the kit. So now here I have everything all figured out how I want it set up. So I'm going to start gluing everything down. You can see that I added a red piece of cardstock behind the other photo, the bottom photo. And then now I'm still playing around with this title. I think this is where I'm going to stick it for good. So I am going to glue down all of these foam bits and pieces just to make sure they stay, because I did move them quite a bit and they were kind of losing their tackiness. So then I am going to move the word day up and add the word of right underneath day. And then that leaves a little bit more extra room for the word kindergarten down at the bottom. And I think I move this kindergarten word so many times. Also there, I was just showing you that yes, I do oftentimes check my spelling, because while I'm scrapbooking, I'm just trying to go so fast and trying to get things done that I just don't even realize when I spell things wrong. So usually, a lot of the time, I will check it on my phone before I actually move on. So here you can see I am having to use a different letter for the letter E. So I think I pull out a B because I had two B's, and I just cut off the ends of the B, the little round part, and make it into an E. So this is going to take a little bit of time, but once I'm done with this, I really, really love how it turns out. So I have my title all finished, and now here I'm going to start bringing in the embellishments that came with the kit. And these usually come in a punch out form. They don't come in like an extra baggie or anything already punched out. It comes attached to a 12 by 12 piece of paper and you just punch it out, which doesn't bother me too much. So I am just finding all of these fun little embellishments and things to add to the layout, and I am going to start gluing them down. Like I said, this is going to be a double page. And so once I get mostly done with all of these embellishments, I'm going to move on to the second page. And what was really nice about this kit was that it did come with two of each background, so that I could easily do the same background piece of paper for the second page as well. Sometimes I'll make double page spreads, and that doesn't really bother me if it's two different pieces of paper. But in this instance, I was really glad that I had two of the same piece of paper for the background. So now here I am just going to start cutting down these playground photos. So this is Tinian playing with two of his really good friends from kindergarten, best friends, I guess you could call them. And this was them before school. They were just running around and playing on the kindergarten playground, because the kindergartners have a different playground than all of the other kids in the other grades. So I was just cutting down these photos, trying to make them all fit together, because I knew I wanted to mat all of these photos on this cardstock. And it does look like I have more red, so I'm not really sure why I did only that one photo in red. I'm not really sure why. Kind of interesting how that happens. This was like 3 weeks ago. Almost. Well, actually, I think it's been over 3 weeks. I think it might be 4 weeks ago, maybe. And I honestly don't remember why I chose to do blue on only these two. Oh, you know what? I think it was because the two photos on the right had two red slides in it, and I didn't hate it, but I didn't like the way the red didn't make the photos pop. You know, that's probably why. Because now that I'm looking at that photo that's on the far left, that the staircase is blue. And so, of course, red is going to look fine with it, right? That is funny that I suddenly remembered that. But yeah, anyway, so now here I am just pulling out all of the embellishments. I kept this side super duper simple, just staggered the photos, and now I'm just putting down embellishments from the sticker sheet as well as from the cut aparts. Okay, so now each of the little cluster areas has 3 stars and either a heart, a diamond, or a little smiley face. And then now I'm going to back this yellow arrow with this green pattern paper that came in the kit. I believe that is called Clover, I want to say. I could be wrong though. I decide also to pop this little arrow up on some fun foam. So I am doing that and just bringing attention to all of the photos because of course that's what we want our attention to be on. I think next what I'm going to do is I'm going to decide to do some lines underneath the 2 photos that are higher than the bottom photo on the second page. And yeah, so that's what I'm doing here. I actually still haven't done any journaling, and I really should go onto Facebook and see if I posted anything about this day just to make sure that, you know, I'm saying true journaling that I was thinking at the time I took these photos. Because there's nothing more than I hate is just silly journaling that just is like, yay, we had fun on this day. You know, like I hate it when I journal like that because it's just very blah. Anyway, I do want to say thank you so much for watching. Make sure you check out Monique's channel below. I am still trying to support her because I made this in honor of her channel reaching 700 subscribers. Also, I am running a special for Close to My Heart that if you buy either of the 2 monthly kits this month before the end of June, you will get sent a ink pad of your choice. So make sure you place an order. I will leave all those links below, and here are the photos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!